Did you know that weather patterns can create a mirrored effect on Earth's surface? This phenomenon occurs when clouds, fog, and even light behave like a mirror, reflecting images and creating an eerie atmosphere. Weather patterns have been fascinating humans for centuries, and it's time to explore one of the most intriguing effects, the mirroring of weather. Imagine a vast landscape of clouds, fog, or even ice, creating a mirror-like effect that reflects the world around us. This phenomenon is not just limited to natural wonders. It can also be found in urban landscapes, where buildings and infrastructure can create mirror-like reflections. From the Grand Canyon to the skyscrapers of New York City, weather patterns can create an optical illusion that makes it seem like the world is mirrored. But how does this happen? Let's dive into the science behind weather patterns and discover the magic of mirroring. Firstly, we need to understand that weather patterns are the result of a complex interplay between atmospheric conditions, temperature, and humidity. When these conditions come together, they can create a mirror-like effect, where light and shadows are reflected in a way that creates a sense of symmetry. For example, during sunrise and sunset, the sky can take on a range of hues, creating a mirrored effect on the landscape below. But that's not the only time when weather patterns can create a mirrored effect. Have you ever seen a foggy day where the trees and buildings seem to be reflected in the fog? This is because the fog acts as a mirror, reflecting the images of the surrounding environment, creating an otherworldly atmosphere. And then there are the clouds, which can create a mirrored effect when they are flat and uniform, reflecting the world around us like a giant mirror. But what's fascinating is that this phenomenon is not just limited to natural wonders. It can also be found in urban landscapes, where buildings and infrastructure can create mirror-like reflections. For instance, in cities like Tokyo and Hong Kong, the skyscrapers and buildings can create a mirrored effect, reflecting the neon lights and advertisements. So, what can we learn from this phenomenon? Firstly, it highlights the complex and fascinating nature of weather patterns, which can create a range of optical illusions. Secondly, it shows us how the world around us can be reflected and mirrored in a way that creates a sense of symmetry and wonder. And finally, it reminds us of the importance of appreciating the natural world, from the simplest clouds to the most complex urban landscapes. So, the next time you see a weather pattern that creates a mirrored effect, take a moment to appreciate the science and magic behind it. Subscribe for more videos on weather patterns, science, and the natural world. And don't forget to like and comment below, sharing your favorite examples of weather patterns that create a mirrored effect. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Subscribe to our channel for more videos on weather patterns, science, and the natural world.